Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the integration between Ansible Automation Platform login using single sign-on MFA solution from CyberArk. So when you successfully configuration the single sign-on in Ansible, you can see the new login icon appears in the login page. So in this case, I'm using OIDC to connect to the CyberArk single sign-on platform. When I login, instead of putting the username and password for local authentication with Ansible Automation Platform, I can click on the single sign-on with the OIDC, and my login page will now be redirected to the CyberArk's SSO portal. From here, I can choose multiple methods for authentication, depends on the policy. For example, I can enable the QR code scanning. I can enable the passkey signing, which is can utilize the Touch ID in my MacBook, or using phone biometric authentication with the QR scan, and so on, right? In this case, in this demo, I will try to use the MFA with the user and choose the right MFA methods that I am support for this application. So for example, I choose a mobile authenticator, click on send me a push, and for my phone, I will receive the notification with the right number here. I choose the right number from the phone, and in the backend, the authentication process will be automatically done, and I will be redirected to the back to the Ansible page with the right user from here, right? So that is how it look like for the SSO integration with the Ansible Automation Platform. So now I will show you how did I do for this integration. Let me open the CyberArk Identity. So you need to look into the CyberArk Identity with the right admin users. From the Identity platform, you go to the Identity Administrations page, and from here you go to the app and quick list, click on the web app. For the OIDC integration, you need to create a new web app using OIDC methods. So you just click on the add web app, choose a custom, and select the OpenID Connect application. Click on add here, and the new application will be appear in your app list from here, right? I have created this one already, so let me go to the Ansible OIDC and show you the configuration. First of all, you need to put in your application ID. Maybe you need to upload the app logo, right? And the app name. For the name, it appear in your single sign-on portal. In terms of the church configuration, you need to copy the information here and paste some of the information from Ansible page as well. So for the Ansible side, you need to go to the setting, and you choose generic OIDC setting from here. So for Ansible, you need to key in 3 parameters: the OIDC key, the OIDC secret, and OIDC provider URL. So for the key, you copy from OpenID Connect client IDs here and paste to the key. For the OIDC secret, you need to put in the OpenID client secret here and copy to this field. And for the OIDC provider URL, you need to copy from the metadata URL from here. But remember, only copy this part to put. Yeah. So that is information from the Ansible Automation Platform. The other one you need to put in here to allow the Ansible can redirect the authentications request from Ansible to CyberArk platform. So you need to put in the relying party application URL, which is this one, to here, right? So it depends on your on your URL here, right? You need to put in the same with SSO complete OIDC, and you also put the same URL to the authorized redirect URIs for the configuration. So that's for just for the token. Just put it as default. From here, you need to click on the refresh token to put the refresh token lifetime to longer time if you want. Scope nothing. Permission. From here, you need to add your user group or roles into the permission. So for example, I have the demo user group. I add here. So the status of application will change to deployed. Policy is default. Actually, if you want to do the second authentication step, you can configure some of the rules here to make more secure to log into the Ansible platform. That means it will require your user to put in some more authentication step or put in the context-based or risk-based authentication as well by using rules and profile. Account mapping. For this one, I am using default. So that means when the authentication successfully, the users will be used by using user principal name, which is username together with the domain. So that is for the configuration. After that, you can see the login can be done from here. And when you successfully log in for the first time, if your user doesn't exist in your environment yet, the new user will be created in the user list here with the you can see, right, the logo of social. So from here you can click on the user and start adding them to the right group, right? You can choose user type, normal user, auditor, or system administrator, and so on to grant the permission to them. So that is a very quick demo and show you how to do the integration between Ansible Automation Platform to do the single sign-on using CyberArk Identity, SSO, and MFA. Thank you very much.